guys, welcome back to Emmventures Adventures. Today we are taking a beautiful little nature hike down a beautiful little forest trail. It's in the middle of nowhere, it's beautiful, it's scenic, and I think you guys would enjoy it so very much. So let's get on this adventure. So this trail is literally in the middle of nowhere. It's normally used as a horse trail, so they're normally called hacks. And yeah, if you guys know anything else about horses or hacking trails, definitely leave me a message below and let me know, and let's go and see what we can find. It is definitely peaceful out here, guys. It's beautiful, so calm, and I think that's one of the plus sides about living here in Canada. Some of you guys know this is the beautiful Canada, Ontario. Well, I guess the more farmy parts of Canada, Ontario. So, for those of you who have seen my other videos, this may look a little familiar to you. We have actually walked this trail once before, but we ended up hitting a bunch of muddy patches, and well, you guys know me, I never wear the proper shoes. Some cows. As you can see, the muddy waterness has not changed, but that's okay, because we're out here to enjoy the little things. Hi, cow buddy. The moment when the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. Our grass is definitely not green. Well, taking you guys on an adventure today, so let's go on an adventure. That was a big muddy puddle. So, most definitely do not know how long this video is going to be or where this trail takes me, because I haven't walked this trail before, or not longer than like 10 minutes worth down it. So let's see where we end up. Ah, the sun. It's so warm. So I just want to thank you guys for coming on this adventure with me today. And I also want to thank you guys for enjoying all my peaceful videos too. They are most definitely getting a lot of love. I most definitely want to do more videos like this with you guys, but I've been kind of stuck in my house with the whole COVID lockdown. Haven't really been able to really get anywhere, so today we got out of the house. But we're trapped. Don't really want to go that way because it looks very wet. Ugh. All right. Yeah, like I said, there's not too much going on with this trail. It definitely is just a peaceful little walking trail. We're just out here to enjoy some of the little things and to see if we can find anything cool. That's pretty neat. A really old can of some sort. Looks pretty cool. I would definitely go in there to check it out a little bit more, but I don't know if there's snakes. There probably is. Due to having surrounding forest as well, I don't feel like getting myself trapped in any situation where there can possibly be a coyote. Even though there wouldn't be one right there, because literally just a can. That looks beautiful. Yeah, rumor has it that this trail is actually 1 hour long by horse. I am no means a horse. Do not walk like a horse or the speed of a horse. So we are most definitely probably not going to be taking this whole trail. But let's just see how far we get. And if you get this far in this video, you should tell me what your favorite bird is. Me, I think I like cardinals What is that? Very random. It could be just a marker for someone's property. Really don't know what that is. I really want to go find out, but I really don't want to trespass. Because I believe Ontario is still in this lockdown. And I do know of some people who explore, abandon, and things like that. And some of them actually receive tickets for being out of their house without a purpose, which is silly, but oh yeah, it's definitely someone's property. And the other thing too is where I am, one of the neighboring forests is actually a gun range, and there's signs posted everywhere saying do not walk in this forest because you will more than likely get shot. So it's another reason why I don't really want to go and step into a forest and explore some things that I'm not familiar with. That looks pretty. So, this seems like a pretty good place to end this video. And I only say that because it's starting to get fairly muddy. It is a little bit later in the afternoon. And like I said, I'm in the middle of a forest. And it's pretty cool. So, yeah. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment your favorite bird down below if you've made it this far into the video. So definitely give me a shout out, and I will talk to you guys later. Stay safe, stay happy, and always enjoy the little things.